Okay, we're just going to do a visual test on the SM7B microphone. This is this green one here, and I've plugged it directly into the main mixer, so there's no other mixer connected to it. It's directly into the main mixer. As we go down the channels here, I'm going to unmute it, and we're going to check out the results on the VU meter. I'm just going to be quiet for a second. We're going to have a look. Okay, that's the results there. Let's go back to the main mixer. I'm just going to mute the SM7B, take it out, and I'm putting it into the second mixer, which we'll call the sub mixer. Now this second mixer is connected to the main mixer. Here's the cables for it there, and we're just going to go down the channels, unmute the sub mixer, which is that second mixer, which is running through this main mixer, and we're going to have a look at the levels on the VU meter. I'm just going to stop talking for a second so you can see the results. As you can see, there's not much feedback there at all, if any. That's just me talking, that green one. Yeah, so as you can see, the results are definitely reduced with the feedback if you add another mixer and connect it to the main. So yeah, the feedback, to be honest, wasn't anything hugely to worry about at all, but if you can afford to reduce it, why not? So yeah, that's just my little test.